Hi there, everyone. On behalf of Oracle, I'm pleased to welcome you to our virtual summit, Taleo and Beyond, Recruiting in the New Workplace. My name is Pete Girardi, and I'm one of Oracle's global product marketing managers for HCM, extensively focusing on the trends and technology influencing the world of recruiting today. I'd like to first start things off by thanking you for being an Oracle customer. As you continue to use our solutions like Taleo and others to support the efforts of your organizations, we hope you found our offerings to be valuable and want to assure you that we're here for you every step of the way. In the midst of this pandemic, business divisions of all types are facing uncertainty, and recruiting is no exception. We've seen many industries experiencing hiring decreases, often turning to existing employees to fill vacancies brought on by new organizational needs. Other industries have had to rapidly ramp up the hiring efforts, like in essential services such as retail and healthcare, targeting external talent to meet the demands of today. As for recruiters themselves, due to the pervasiveness of remote working structures, we see teams transforming their homes and apartments into fully functioning offices, often simultaneously juggling personal obligations with their hiring responsibilities. And in terms of hiring, with job events and face-to-face interviews no longer viable options, individuals have become reliant on technology to market open positions, identify top talent, engage active and passive candidates, and drive virtual recruitment. Our event today is focused on these issues and how technology can help. We've asked our most passionate and dedicated leaders, along with several prominent high-profile customers, to join us here to share information related to the solutions being leveraged and the strategies they've seen that are driving recruiting success this year. You'll first hear a thorough discussion between our development leaders on Oracle Taleo and Oracle Recruiting, our two recruitment-oriented offerings. Whether you're focused on attracting outside candidates or maximizing the impact of your current workforce, we'll dive into the intentions of our solutions and discuss the benefits they're providing talent acquisition teams, as well as help you ascertain which is right for your organization. We'll then spend the second half of our event speaking with 3 customers directly, all of whom have made the transition to Oracle Recruiting. You'll get a detailed overview of their hiring organizations, the challenges and initiatives they're focused on, their rationale for selecting Oracle Recruiting, and the benefits they've experienced since going live. As today's session unfolds, we invite you to share your questions and thoughts with us in the Q&A section. We'll be actively fielding these throughout the event, so please don't be shy. With that said, let's go ahead and jump right in. Our first session today is Unplugged, a conversation between Chris and Nagaraj. Here, both Chris and Nagaraj will share information on the current plan and intention for Oracle Taleo, as well as the rationale and benefits of Oracle Recruiting, our natively developed hiring solution. Over to you now, Chris and Nagaraj.